Hey there, welcome to our channel. We are Yan Sourcing, a leading sourcing agent company who help customers source products, manage production, inspect goods, and manage shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. Ever wondered how to buy directly from a China factory? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to walk through the entire process, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to sourcing products from China like a pro. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about finding China suppliers. This is where your journey begins. Start by using online platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, or Made in China. These websites are treasure troves of Chinese manufacturers. But don't stop there. Attend trade shows. Both in China and internationally, these events are great for meeting suppliers face-to-face. You can also use Google to search for specific products and manufacturers. Remember, cast a wide net at this stage. The more options you have, the better. Now that you've got a list of potential suppliers, it's time to assess them. This step is crucial for avoiding scams and ensuring quality. Check how long the company has been in business. Look for certifications and compliance with international standards. Ask for references from past clients. Don't be shy about requesting this information. Legitimate companies will be happy to provide it. Also, check if they have experience exporting to your country. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Once you've narrowed down your list, it's time to reach out. Writing effective inquiries is an art. Be clear and concise about what you're looking for. Include specific details about the product you want. Mention quantities, any customization needs, and your timeline. Ask about their production capacity and lead times. The more information you provide, the more accurate their response will be. And don't forget to inquire about their sample policy. As responses come in, you'll enter the negotiation phase. This is where things get interesting. You'll be discussing two main points: minimum order quantities, MOQs, and prices. Factories often have high MOQs to make production worthwhile. If their MOQ is too high for you, don't be afraid to negotiate. Offer to pay a slightly higher price for a lower quantity, or propose a trial order with the promise of larger orders in the future. When it comes to price, remember that the first quote is rarely the best price. Ask if there are any discounts for larger orders or repeat business, but always keep quality in mind. The cheapest option isn't always the best in the long run. After negotiations, it's time to pick a supplier and request a sample. This step is absolutely crucial. Never, ever skip it. Even if you have to pay for the sample, it's worth it. When you receive the sample, check it thoroughly. Does it meet your quality standards? Is it exactly what you asked for? If not, communicate clearly with the supplier about any issues. Once you're happy with the sample, it's time to talk payment terms. This can be a bit tricky, especially for first-time buyers. Most Chinese suppliers will ask for a deposit up front. This is usually around 30% of the total order value. The remaining 70% is typically paid before shipping. If possible, negotiate for more favorable terms. For example, 30% deposit, 40% before shipping, and 30% after you receive and inspect the goods. Remember, everything is negotiable. Now let's talk about that down payment. Be prepared for it. Make sure you have the funds ready. Most suppliers accept wire transfers or PayPal for smaller amounts. Some may accept letters of credit for larger orders. Whatever method you choose, make sure it's secure and traceable. Alright, now we're getting to the exciting part. Placing the order. Send a detailed purchase order to your supplier. Include all specifications, quantities, agreed prices, and delivery terms. Make sure everything is clear and in writing. This document will be your reference point if any issues arise later. Once the order is placed, production begins. But your job isn't done yet. Product quality control is vital. Consider hiring a third-party inspection company in China. They can check the goods before they're shipped. This step can save you from receiving subpar products. If you can't hire an inspector, ask the supplier for regular updates and photos of the production process. As the production nears completion, it's time to prepare for shipping. Decide on your preferred shipping method. Will you use air freight for faster delivery, or sea freight for larger, less urgent orders? Make sure you understand all the costs involved. This includes freight charges, customs duties, and any other fees. Your supplier can often arrange shipping, but get quotes from freight forwarders too. They might offer better rates. Finally, the big day arrives. You receive your goods. But don't celebrate just yet. Inspect everything carefully. Check the quantity and quality of the products. Make sure they match your original order and the approved samples. If there are any issues, document them with photos and contact your supplier immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of buying from a China factory. It might seem like a lot, but with practice, it gets easier. Remember, building a good relationship with your supplier is key. Clear communication and mutual respect go a long way. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on international business and sourcing. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your sourcing journey.